Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Netta. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay guys, so I've just got a lot of energy. 2020 is going pretty well for me. I don't know, I'm just happy. I haven't been this happy in a while, so I got that good energy, and I hope you guys had a good energy too, because we need to keep that good energy and keep those good vibes going all throughout 2020. Okay, so anyway, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what came in my January Boxycharm box. This is the first Boxycharm box of the new year, of the new decade, and we're gonna dive right in, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. So if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. How you doing? How's 2020 treating you? All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So I've got the little paper, Boxycharm paper here that I'm gonna read off as I, share with you guys everything that is in this box, okay? So, okay. All right. I'm kind of, here, let me show you guys. I'm kind of disappointed in this box. Like, this is my January 2020 Boxycharm box, and I am just not wowed. I am not wowed at all. I'm not. Okay, so I do follow Boxycharm on Instagram, and I did turn on post notifications and story notifications because they do announce in their stories when you can go to the website and choose an add-on for the box. And so anywho, when I was looking at their post for the different variations for the January box, I was so excited to get a box. I mean, they had the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter in one of the boxes. They had the that watermelon glow recipe. They had the glow recipe watermelon mask, overnight sleeping mask in one of the boxes. They also had what was it? What am I thinking? It was the glow recipe watermelon sleeping mask, the Too Faced Diamond Lights highlighter. Oh, and they had eyeshadow palettes from Ace Beauty. I mean, like, the pictures for those boxes were so phenomenal. So I, naturally, like, I was super excited to get this box, and now I'm opening it and I'm like, I mean, it's a Boxycharm box, right? And it's a Boxycharm box. Pretty sure the box did pay for itself, but I'm just not wowed by it. It's more so, this box looks to me more so like a functional box, like it works. It works. It's like, when you want pizza and you're really craving a pizza, and your mama like, nah, we ain't getting no pizza. We got all this food in this house, and I'm gonna make some dinner and I'm gonna cook. But you was craving pizza, and you really wish that she was just call Pizza Hut or Domino's or whatever and order like a pizza, some breadsticks, right? But she cooks dinner, and dinner is good. I mean, you ate, you're not hungry no more, but the pizza, like, that's how I feel with this box. That's dramatic, I know, but it's the truth. So anyway, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing, where's the paper? Oh, here it is. Okay. So the first thing I have here, and I'm just picking them out randomly. The first thing I have here is the Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. So that is this here. Okay, and what do they say about this? A delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Garbage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gomage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. And this retails for $28. So let me look at the ingredients on here because, okay, so it's gluten-free, it's BPA-free, it's GMO-free, and it's vegan. That's really good, actually, but I don't see the ingredient. Oh, here it is. Ingredients. Does it have any fragrance, though? Perfume. There it is. Fragrance. So, guys, like, I am really starting to get a lot stricter with my skincare routine. This is a face garment, so it washes off. Like, I can wash this off, okay? So I'm okay with it having fragrance in it at this point because I'm going to scrub and then I'm going to rinse it off, so it won't have any long-term damage to my skin, because fragrance in skincare products is actually irritating to the skin. And as I'm getting older, I just don't want anything that's going to irritate my skin. You know, I need all of this goodness preserved for us. I'm trying to look like Angela Bassett. Okay, I'm trying to look like Auntie Angie. So, I mean, I'll use it. It's nice. It looks nice, but I wouldn't purchase it because it has fragrance in it. So if I run out of that, I would not in turn, go and seek to purchase it because it has fragrance. And I'm really, really cracking down on my skincare products having fragrance in it. All right. So next. So this is up next. So this is the Dr. Brandt Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream here. Okay, so can't go wrong with an eye cream. So all eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting eye cream, a perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. Okay, and so that retails for $55. So let me look at the ingredients. Let me see. I have never tried Dr. Brandt's products, actually, so this will be the first Dr. Brandt product I've tried. Is there any perfume? I don't see any. Yay! And it's not uncommon, guys. I have seen skincare items with their under eye creams that have perfume in it. Doesn't make sense to me why an under eye cream has perfume in it, but I have seen it there. But this one doesn't, so it's a winner for me. Yay! Can't go wrong with an eye cream as you get older. So serious. All right, so next we have this here, and this is from Avant Beauty. So what's to be said about this? I mean, not Avant Beauty. This is from Avant Skincare. So Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So that's what this is. The 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And this retails for $107. So, I mean, I haven't tried anything from Avant Skincare either, so I'm excited to give this a try. Let's see. I think I need glasses. This print is tiny. Perfume, yep, so this has fragrance too. So I'll use it because of the fact that it came in my Boxycharm box. But once I'm done using this, once again, this is not something that I would personally go out and purchase because this is meant to stay on the skin. It's meant to stay on the skin overnight, and it has fragrance in it. And so that's not something I want in my skincare personally. All right. So next we have Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar, okay? So this is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. I see what they did there. Pretty Vulgar Undercover. Okay. So Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish infused with vitamin E and galactorabinin, can't pronounce that word, to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types, and this retails for $25. So I just want to see, is this gonna look good on me as a concealer? Oh yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Okay, yeah. All right, so I can use this, and I can never have too many concealers. Anybody out there who's been watching me, I cannot have too many concealers. I use concealers for everything, to clean up underneath, to clean up the eyebrows. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I use it, you know, during my no makeup routines if I have the time. I mean, I just use concealers for a lot. So yeah, I will definitely get a lot of use out of that. Okay, and next up we have this here. It's from Mana Kadar. So it's from Mana Kadar Beauty, and this is a lip whip. Okay, so a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. And this retails for $21. So I can add it to my lipstick collection. I'm not mad at it. Let me see. Now I want to open it. I have so many lipsticks, but it's like, I want to see it now. Now I'm curious. Okay. Ooh, so the packaging is really, really pretty. I like that packaging. Okay. And this is in the shade Faith. Faith, 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 just a little more faith. Okay. Oh, hey, this is unique. And this is the tone. I can rock that. I think that look good on me. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks pretty. Okay. So I'll be using this, okay, in my makeup collection. It smells really nice. And I think that looks pretty on me. I like it. Okay. So that is it for my variation of the January 2020 Boxycharm box. I mean, yeah, it's a nice box, don't get me wrong. And let me calculate really quickly how much all of this, the value of this box. So 25 plus 55 plus 28 plus 107. So this entire box retails for $236, which is an amazing value. So like I said, these boxes, they do pay for themselves, and this really is some nice stuff. I don't know, I just wasn't wowed by the box. I was just like, it's a functional box, right? I can use it. I can get some use out of it. I just wasn't wowed by it, so. And I guess that's the nature of the program, right? Some variations you're gonna be like, oh, and then other variations you're gonna be like, oh, okay. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, but I gotta get out of here, so I will see you in the next one. Bye.